Hello Barkai family, Rabbi Safdieh here, very excited to be part of this wonderful team. We see many times in the Chumash where Eretz Yisrael is mentioned. Specifically in Sefer Devarim, when Moshe Rabbeinu is giving his last speech to Am Yisrael. The one parasha to me that comes to mind where Eretz Yisrael is mentioned to an extremely high extent would have to be Parashat Ekeb. From the beginning to the end, all we see is how Bnei Yisrael's had their encounters with the Midbar, the trials and tribulations, until they get to their final destination, which is Eretz Yisrael. So in Aliyat Shishi, which is only 3 Pesukim, it's the Eretz Yisrael is highlighted within only 3 Pesukim. And certain Pesukim jump out at you. One specifically is where it says, Eretz Asher Adonai Elohecha Doresh Ota Tamid Aynei Adonai Elohecha Ba Mereshit HaShana V'ad Acharit Shana, which basically means Eretz Yisrael is God's turf. HaKadosh Baruch Hu has his eyes on it all the time, always looking at it, always seeing what's going on. Of course, God can look at the entire world, but specifically He zones in only on Eretz Yisrael. Now, Rabbeinu Bachya, one of the Rishonim, argue and gives three interesting points about this specific pasuk. First off, he says that Eretz Yisrael is the heart of the world, literally the heart and soul of the world. And he says several times that it's like the heart that pumps blood to all the Evarim, so to Eretz Yisrael is the heart of the entire world, as in a more cosmopolitan view. Number 2 is the word Tamid. Why say the word Tamid? So Rabbeinu Bachya gives you a little acronym, or a little notarikon. He takes the letters and says, really, what does Tamid mean? It's actually Midat Yod. The Midah of Yod. What's Yod? Yod is 10. So Eretz Yisrael is known to having 10 specific aspects about it. And it's mentioned throughout the Shas and throughout the Mefarshim. And here it says, Ba'asara devarim nishtabaha ha'aretz. What are those 10 things, or these 10 items? Shivat HaMinim would be 1. Eretz, Cheta, Seorah, Gefen, Tera, Rimon, Zechen, Udvash. And then it also has 3 other aspects, which are Shivol, Shu'al, Shifon, and Kusmin. Different Cheta, Seorah, grains. And basically says that Asara is actually mentioned, as you've seen in Parashat Bereshit. So the fact that Eretz Yisrael is comprised of 10 things means that God is always looking into this land on a constant basis. And the third, as you notice in the last pasuk, it says Mereshit HaShana V'ad Acharit Shana. Mereshit does not have an aleph. And the question is why? And he quotes Hazal, mainly Rashi, that says that the Eretz Yisrael is a hint to Tishrei, which is Rosh Hashanah L'Biri'ato Shel Olam. So basically Tishrei is the Rosh Hashanah of the entire year, and it's also the creation of the world, basically hinting to us that God will always judge what happens in Eretz Yisrael based on the beginning. So from Rosh Hashanah and on, God will decide what actually happens in Eretz Yisrael. So to end Torah, and have a beautiful Shabbat and a wonderful day.